I'm about 7 feet away, maybe closer right now to these. There's about 6 hens picking through my bird feeders right now. So here, I'll move it back a little bit so you can see the better recording. I'm leaning up against the side of my house. There's the corner of the house right there, so they can definitely see me, but they don't care, and they're there right there. I'm getting ready for work, and about a half a block away is the other part of the flock. There was probably about 25, 30 that walked through here, and the other half have the two big mature toms that are chasing the females today. And what we've been watching a lot is these young juvenile toms kind of hen pecking and doing a little tussling of feathers, trying to see who's in charge. But yeah, I am talking out loud. Obviously, I'm within, like I said, 7 feet at most right now from these turkeys. And there's another one crossing the street, stopping traffic all over the place. So yeah, we're just taking a little bit of a video here of all the turkeys in our neighborhood. They actually have their own Facebook page. So they're called the Northeast Turkey Flock on Facebook. So Northeast Minneapolis, which of course is our neighborhood. This is about the third time they've walked through in about 2 weeks. Hey. Oh. And I have, that's pretty close. I have a couple more now walking back towards the house. And there's the turkeys right there again. You can see there's quite a few. Stopping traffic in front of my house as well. I'm gonna see if they're walking through. There they are right there again. My knees are starting to hurt. I'm gonna sit down. They're used